Dark-skinned Jermaine, nigga. Chop, chop, ho. Chop, chop. Shit I write got me cashing. I'm clocking dough, you po like Edgar Allan, and I ain't even bragging. Take more than simple tactics to match this. That bitch pussy burnt out like a matchstick. 12 gates make you backspin. Rap shit, easy without a laxative. I pack a Mac and spray your back, had you want some gymnastic shit. Detroit City, bitch, no new jack to this. The Beamer all white, they wish Michael Jackson was black again. Whooping ass like Jason Statham in the movie scene. Hold your fucking baby off the clip, this ain't Lion King. I know they gossip on my squad, we getting lots of cream. She treat my phallic like Sid Scallops, my dick exquisite B. Ain't my mans, I'ma only tell you once. Nigga, get this money, boss the fuck up. Blaze said, what up? You jumping shit you don't need to be in like double dutch. Fuck a blunt, I roll a double dutch. I don't need you to pray for me. Save your pity for the weak, oh no. They don't build them like me no more. I'm a champion. There is nothing you can say to me to stop me from defeating all y'all. Give my all up against all odds. It's inevitable. Your flow clitoris, my Cardi Cabriolet brown tortoise. Puff the fire flower, I'm like the fucking florist. Finish polo on his floral. Don't lose your fucking morals, you be at the bottom of the sea kissing on coral with no edit support you. Flame broil you, butterfly your ass and escort you. Yo niggas double cross you. Verbal vomit, that's the terrorist regime. Dick hung, no Saddam Hussein, bitch out of they brain. Riding down 7 Mile, yo bitch freak my black and miles. I knew I was gifted with this shit since I was a child. Nearsighted ass niggas, eyes open now. Them thighs open, let me stroke it just so I can smile. Niggas better stay calm, I'll put they bitch ass on rotten.com on my mom. Yeah, nigga on the grind, verbal vomit, motherfucker, it's our time. Believe that. I don't need you to pray for me. Save your pity for the weak, oh no. They don't build them like me no more. I'm a champion. There is nothing you can say to me to stop me from defeating all y'all. Give my all up against all odds. It's inevitable. Dark-skinned Jermaine, bitch. Chavis Chandler. Real name, no motherfucking gimmicks. You talk it, we live it. Get money and sleep in Chandler Park, you bum ass niggas. Know what the fuck time it is, man. Chill.